and this is the basis of your this chapter. Okay, chalo. Okay, now next one is cell. How was the cell discovered?
Robert Hooke was the first
Cell discovered by the
What was discovered by Robert Hooke?
What is covered by
Robert
The first scientist
Robert Hooke was
for
the
the
first scientist.
first time just observed him. And where did he observe? कहाँ पर observe किए थे? Where did he observe?
honeycomb.
bark of trees?
Bark of a tree.
The bark of trees. Bark of trees.
Which is obtained from a bark of tree.
Bark of a tree, or which was obtained in the form of cork, which is a cork. Okay. These small questions you have to just keep in mind for your objective one. Okay, next question. How many types of cell are there according to the number?
two types.
According
Ma'am,
to
two types of cells, unicellular and multicellular. Organisms consisting of single cell are called unicellular.
Unicellular and multicellular organisms.
multicellular. Okay, in this way only you have to participate in the class. Okay, then after that, give me some example of unicellular and a few example of multicellular.
Unicellular, amoeba and paramecium, and multicellular.
Amoeba, process, human, bird, animal.
Unicellular, euglena, amoeba and paramecium, and multicellular, humans, birds and animals.
Unicellular, euglena, amoeba, paramecium, multicellular, human,
Listen,
bird, animal.
children. Apart from these unicellular examples like euglena, amoeba, and paramecium, we are having others which are more than one cell. They all are included in your multicellular. So what is the need of learning? The name of unicellular organism. Then, according to the cell shape, what is the shape of the cell? How many types of cell shape we have?
7 types.
Spherical,
For the
cuboidal,
cell
fiber,
may be oval,
Cells, smooth muscles,
polygonal, but different like shape due to the location and
fiber
function.
like a polygonal, oval, spherical, cuboidal.
Oval, listen, oval, spherical, cuboidal, fiber-like or polygonal. These are according to the cell shape. Then, why is a necessity for difference in shape of the cell? Cell, why is the
Due to their location and function.
Difference is important because, for
To their
example, a
location
nerve
and
has
function in the
access to nerve
tissue.
impulses to organs located in different part of the body. Hence, they pose a long fiber-like structure.
because due to their location and function in the tissue.
but all of you are speaking correctly. Ek mein baat mein after your answer comes, I just speak so that those who are not knowing, they will know it. Due to the differences, the shapes are of different, you can say the cells are of different shapes because of the location and functions in the tissue. Then, which is the smallest size or where do we of the cell and
Mycoplasma.
PPLO also called mycoplasma.
Fauna-like organism or the mycoplasma is the smallest
Zero
cell.
point.
50
Mycoplasma, PPLO, PPLO.
diameter.
And in 0.1 micron.
Mycoplasma is the smallest cell.
Or minus
Learn.
6.
Please go through the full form of PPLO. PPLO का full form याद रखोगे?
Pneumonia-like organism.
Pneumonia-like organism. Pleuro, pneumoni, pneumonia, because those words which are a bit difficult, or you can say pronunciation and spelling varies. That is why I give emphasis that you will write the correct spelling. And it is, what is the size? It is 0.1 micron or
0.1 micron.
0.1 micron.
1 micron in diameter, that is 10 to the power minus 6 meter.
Minus 10 to the power minus 6 meter.
Okay, which is the largest cell?
Ostrich egg.
The ostrich egg considered to be the largest cell with nearly 170
Ostrich egg
mm in
considered to be the
diameter.
largest, nearly 170 millimeter in diameter.
What is it?
Ostrich egg 170 mm.
170
170 millimeter.
Okay.
170 mm.
Now children, give the name of a single cell which you have observed with your naked eye.
Cell.
Hen's egg.
Hen's egg.
Hen's egg represents a single cell.
Hen's egg.
Hen's egg.
Easy enough to be seen with the naked
Hen's
eye.
egg.
Also
Yes.
represent a single
What
cell.
are the different parts over there?
There is a cell membrane, sac,
Cell
yolk,
membrane,
albumin,
yolk,
and outer shell. Cell membrane, air sac, yolk, albumin, and outer shell.
Albumin or
Cell membrane, yolk, albumin, outer shell, air sac.
Yolk,
Cell membrane.
cell membrane, air sac, albumin, and outer shell. Now children, please go through the measurement of the sizes of the cell given on page number 4 of your book. All of you should learn that. You never know which type of objective question comes in your exam. So once again, we will revise that also. What is the size of amoeba?
1000
1000 micrometers. 1000 micrometers.
1000 micrometer.
Very good. Now, what about green alga? What about green alga?
10 centimeter.
10 centimeter.
You just tell me what is the value of 1 micron meter?
It is equal to minus 3
10 upon power minus 6.
10 to the power minus 6 meter and 10 is to the power minus 3
1
millimeter.
micrometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter.
10 to the power minus 6.
Minus 3 millimeter.
10 to the power minus 6 millimeter.
10 to the power minus 6 meter. 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter.
3 millimeter.
Yes. Now, one word answer, one again. What is the lifespan of your
120
red blood
days.
cell?
120 days.
It is about 120 days.
20 days.
About 120 days.
About
Now,
4
do you
months.
remember which type of stain are used for staining or making a temporary mount of cheek cell?
It is
Methylene blue.
Methylene blue.
It is, children, these questions I have often asked you in the class. So just note
Yes,
it
ma'am.
down that it might come. So it is for cheek cell, temporary mounting is done with methylene blue.
Methylene blue.
Then what about onion peel? Cell,
Saffron.
Saffron.
Saffron. Fine.
onion peel is with safranin.
What the fuck is that?
Okay. Now we will come to the different parts of the cell. When we talk about parts of the cell, children, what is the first thing comes in your mind?
Nucleus. Nucleus.
Cell membrane, cytoplasma, nucleus, cell organelles.
First of all, we will look after the outer covering. The outer base.
Cell
Okay?
Cell membrane.
Membrane.
And inside the cell membrane, what are the other components?
Cytoplasm.
Main components.
Cytoplasmic nucleus.
Plasma, the cell organelles, nucleus,
And
endoplasm.
Nucleus. Now, what do we say about nucleus? Nucleus, just describe
Nucleus is the
nucleus, one of you.
It is the most important part of the cell.
Controls all the activity of
It is the
the cell.
center of the cell.
Control all the
It
activity
also
of the cell.
occupy peripheral position. It control all these activities of the cell.
Let's speak one by one.
in the middle of the cell. It is the most important part of the cell. It is the most important part of the cell, bounded by the
Yes.
dense
Generally
structure
lies
called
in the
nuclear
center of the
membrane.
cell.
Okay, it is most important part. ठीक है, Anurag, what do you want to say? Anurag, about nucleus? Anurag,
It occupies a peripheral position.
are you there, Anurag?
Yes, ma'am.
Nucleus के बारे में बोलो, Nisha. Nisha, you are there? Meenal, 8D Meenal. Please, children, if you are joining, then please respond. Narayani? Why are you all silent? Athar,
Ye-
bolo. What is the main function of nucleus?
Yes, ma'am. It is the most important part of the cell. It controls all the activity of the cell. It generally lies in the center of the cell. However, in some cases, it also occupies peripheral position.
Ria,
That's
do you
it.
have some more point regarding nucleus?
Yes, ma'am. Nucleus is the
Bolo.
most important part of the cell. It controls all the activities of the cell. It is a dense structure bound by a nuclear membrane.
Okay, very good. Chalo. Next, we will move to the next one, that is cytoplasm. What is the structure of cytoplasm? What type of quality the cytoplasm is having?
It is a
Describe about
The
it.
gel-like
It is a
structure.
portion of protoplasm
It has a
and
gel-
inner
it has a
the
gel-like-
cell membrane
It is
but
a
outside the
jelly-like
nucleus.
structure.
And
portion of the
mesocarponic
To the
membrane
cell membrane.
It is made up of
Ananya,
carbohydrates, proteins.
Ananya, please say.
Fat and mineral.
Yes, ma'am.
And vitamin C.
Cytoplasm is jelly-like structure. It is made up of cellulose and contain major part of water.
Okay, and it acts as a ground substance. It is present in.
Stands for all cell activity.
हाँ बोलो.
It
Do you
acts
want
as
to
a
ask
ground
anything?
substance.
Act as a ground substance for all cells.
Ground substance means the base. It is acting like a base. That is why it is telling ground substance. Why base?
Base for all
Because
cell
all
activities.
the other organelles are embedded inside it. Embedded means they are placed inside it. As I
Right,
explained you in the class, like it is just serving like a pudding. Pudding, that is the kheer jo hum log banate hain as a sweet dish. And all the other organelles are just put inside, inserted inside it because it is a gel-like substance. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the different parts of nucleus? Describe the different parts of the
Nucleoplasm,
nucleus.
chromatin, and chromosomes.
Chromatin and
Protein chromosomes.
Chromatin and chromosomes.
Protoplasm of
Chromatin, nucleoplasm, and chromosomes.
Protoplasm, chromatin, chromosomes.
Cell is ready to divide.
Nuclear
Okay,
membrane.
very good. It is nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, then chromatin, chromosomes, which are responsible for inheritance of characters, and they are just with the help of genes, the hereditary characters are transferred from one generation to the other generation. Now, apart from the other cell organelles which are present in plants, Alok,
Plastids.
Plastids, mitochondria, endoplasmic layer, smooth layer, Golgi complex,
chromoplast, leucoplast, and vacuoles.
vacuoles, ribosomes, cilia, flagella.
Mitochondria.
okay, tell me what are the different types of plastids? Sudhanshu Jha.
Chloroplast,
Chloroplast,
chloroplast, photosynthesis,
chromoplast and
leucoplast.
chloroplast.
There are three types of plastids: chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. The green colored plastids are called chloroplast. The colorful plastids are called chromoplast, and the colorless plastids are called leucoplast.
Okay, so there are three types of plastics. Once revision from my side, तीन तरह का है. What are they? They are chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Clearly make a differentiation that chloroplast is present in leaf, chromoplast is present in flowers, and leucoplast are colorless. Okay, those which are not pigmented plant, in those parts they are having leucoplast. Clear? Then what about mitochondria? What will you say about mitochondria?
They are the rod-shaped powerhouse of
And spherical, they are responsible for cellular respiration and for generation of different activities of life.
The energy, hence it is the powerhouse of the cell.
Mitochondria are the rod-shaped
Energy can be generated. Cellular respiration and all the life activities are controlled, means where we require energy, that is controlled by our mitochondria.
Mitochondria.
They are also called the powerhouse of cells.
And that is why it is known as powerhouse of the cell. Then what about endoplasmic reticulum, and how many types of endoplasmic reticulum we are having? Children, please don't leave the class.
Network of membrane provides channels for channel of material in
Smooth plasmic reticulum is of
synthesis of proteins. Smooth it plays a vital role in synthesis of
Reticulum is a network of membrane. There are two types.
Of rough endoplasmic reticulum.
It synthesizes proteins.
it plays a vital role in synthesis of protein.
Here that has a rough appearance as it is started with ribosome.
Protein and smooth synthesis of fat.
Yes, it synthesizes fat. And what about Golgi complex?
Excellent structure stack on the above. They are involved in the processing and packaging of material produced by the cell.
Like structures stacked one above the other, and they are involved in packaging of food material.
Processing and packaging material. And what about vacuoles?
Empty space in the cytoplasm.
Stores excess of water and waste product.
Cryptoplast, it is generally larger than
In its food vacuole for digestion.
material and are held food vacuoles in
The whole you can say building, then you can see that it is a storehouse where we can store waste products. Clear? Then what about ribosomes?
Teeny granular structures formed in
These are teeny regular structure as well as blah blah blah. Teeny granular structure found in the cytoplasm and on the endoplasmic reticle. They help in protein synthesis.
reticulum help in the protein synthesis.
Okay.
They help in
Then-
protein synthesis.
Yes, in some of the unicellular organisms, there are special, you can say, structures present, and they are known as cilia and flagella. You have to know in which organism cilia is present and in which organism flagella is present.
In Paramecium, Paramecium has numerous cilia. Euglena has a single flagella.
is present and in the cilia is
Extension on the cell membrane.
In organisms
These
like
help in
Paramecium, a
locomotion
number
and
of cilia are
procurement
present,
and
while in Euglena, a single flagellum is present.
It helps
Okay,
in
cilia
locomotion of food.
these
And
are
children, one more thing. The special structure which is present in Euglena and Paramecium, that is pellicle, and here contractile vacuole you can say, and two types of nucleus. This characteristic also you should learn, and you have to differentiate their diagram. Sometimes incomplete diagram comes and you have to level the different parts of these organism also. कभी कभी आया है question में in class 8. So you just get ready to answer that, because this is a very, very easy chapter. And I know that most of you have are interested in learning this chapter because it is very easy. So I just expect that nobody should leave any question if it is asked in the exam. So the variety of question you include that you have to learn the diagram also. Then what are the different levels of organization?
Cell, tissue, organ system, and
Tissue,
organism.
organ system, organism.
Cell, tissue, organ system,
Cell,
organism.
tissue, organ system, organism.
and organism.
Now children, यही आपको जब exam में आता है, if this question comes in your exam, you all get confused. These are known as levels of organism. Okay, levels of organism is just you have to describe cell, tissue, organ system, and organism. So don't get confused in this. And sometimes it is asked in objective also that which one will come after which of the you can say level. So you have to put the numbering according to that. Then the next question here is your difference or comparison between plant cell and animal cell.
Plant cell has a different shape due to
Plant cell have shape. Animal has not fixed. Plant cell are present in cell wall,
cells have
but
cell membrane as the outer cover.
when cell and vacuoles present in plant cell but not in animal, vacuoles are not vacuole.
While animal cell doesn't.
Sometimes in animal they are absent.
While animal cell have small vehicles.
Stop speaking together. Saloni, 8D, you tell me the first point. Why do you all leave when I ask you call your name? Saloni. Then Shalini, Samba. I don't know which section you are.
Ma'am, I'm in 8H.
Huh?
I'm in
Which
8H.
section are you?
H.
Charlie,
Yes, ma'am.
you tell me the first point.
Ma'am,
Of the
in
difference.
shape, in plant cell, shape is fixed, while in animal cell, the shape is doesn't fixed.
Why? Why is this shape fixed?
Ma'am,
Because
may
they
I-
have a cell wall,
Because cell,
while the animal cell have
because
cell
cell
membrane.
cell wall.
Yes.
Plant cell has cell wall.
Plant cell has cell wall, so their shape is fixed. But animal cell do not have cell wall. They have got cell membrane. That is why their shape is not fixed. Next one, who will say?
May I?
Ma'am, Ananya.
Ma'am.
May
Now
I?
bolo. 8. Abhijit, class 8D. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो. Second point बोलो. Be active in the class, children. Be active so that whenever I ask you, you can answer. Next one. Be ready to answer every time. Anupriya Kumari. हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, cell wall is present in plant cell, but it is absent in animal cell.
What was your point?
Ma'am, cell wall is present in
That-
plant cell, but it is absent
That
in
is
animal
completed.
cell.
That is discussed. Next,
It's already covered.
some other point.
Ma'am, can I, Navya?
Apart from this point.
Can I, Ananya?
Can I?
बोलो.
Can I?
Yes,
In
yes.
plant cell, one large vacuole is present, and in animal cell, vacuoles are either absent or are present or only as a small vacuoles.
Yes. Then, third point, who will say?
Animal cell have not.
Plant cell have
They are
absent in animal cell.
Presence of plastic. In plant cells, plastics are present, whereas in an animal cell, plastics are not present.
Absent in animal cell.
Now, children,
Color to in the cell of
in this chapter, apart from the questions which I have asked you today, you have to go through the diagram of cell, the comparative diagram.
Page number 9.
Yes, page number 9. That diagram you have to practice. And for tomorrow's homework, go to the next chapter, that is microorganism. You have to study microorganism for tomorrow's discussion. Okay, that is your homework. And all of you from tomorrow, all of you be well prepared and more alert in answering the question answers. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then here,
What chapter?
4 main points in difference is there. What is that? Shape, that is skin, plant cell, and it is absent in animal cell, irregular or not fixed. Cell wall is present in plant cell, but it is absent in animal cell. Then plastids are present in plant cell, but it is absent in animal cell. And large vacuoles are present in plant cell, but it is very small, or either it is not present in animals. This is the whole summary of the chapter, today's chapter, that is cell. Clear? Anybody
Yes,
has
ma'am.
any
Yes, ma'am.
regarding this chapter? इस चैप्टर से कोई क्वेरी है किसी को?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then tomorrow all of you please prepare the next chapter, that is second chapter, microorganism. So many objective questions can be framed from that chapter. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if you have any queries, you can ask me regarding this chapter or any of the chapter. Coming chapter also you can ask.
Ma'am, please you may revise, ma'am, restart the chapter 16.
Chapter 6, I will come to
Yes,
that
ma'am.
chapter, beta.
Ma'am,
Abhi
chapter
कौन सा
6.
chapter?
Chapter
Ma'am, she is
16.
saying chapter 16.
Ma'am,
16,
chapter
okay.
16, current and its chemical effect.
Chapter 16. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Current and its chemical effect. So should we take that chapter?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
wanted to take it, to take one by one. एक करके मैं आना चाहती हूँ.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, but you could you please re-explain that chapter?
What you have to explain me? What you want? What confusion you are having in this chapter?
Ma'am, there are different terms like electrolytes, and there are some terms that are
You
not.
just come to that. Wait a minute. वहाँ पर आ जाइए आप लोग पहले. First of all, electrolyte is there. A term electrolyte is there. What do you mean by this electrolyte? The free mobile ions allow the electric current to pass, like as you have studied in class 7, that when we pass electric current and add sodium chloride in water, then it becomes more conductive. Then what we used to do, we had to enhance the, you can say, that reaction, we had to add sodium chloride. So that sodium chloride used to break into sodium and chloride ions. So that ionic form is known as electrolyte. The free mobile ions allow the passage of electric current through the solution to make it conductive, and we call it that solution to be as a electrolyte. उस solution को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Electrolyte है. जैसे आप लोग यहाँ पर देखो. Just see this. Now please children, as it was instructed that you should take a very quiet corner of your house, so that nothing voice should be obstructed in the classroom. Deepak, voice is coming from your background. Just mute your mic. Okay. Now here, when we are going to conduct electric current, Then common salt is added, which contains sodium and chloride, positive and negative ions. So if this water breaks into sodium and chloride, which is sodium and chloride ion, positive and negative charge. We all know that when it is dissociated or broken down, then as it is in salt form, it gets converted into its ionic form. That is sodium chloride. If we write in salt form, it will be like this. But if we are writing in ionic form, it will be sodium plus chloride minus. So this free mobile ions which allow electricity to pass through them, they are known as electrolytes. And electrolytes are of two types: strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte. Strong electrolyte means what? Which has got more number of free ions. जिसमें ज्यादा free ions होंगे. और weak electrolyte किसको बोलेंगे?
Which are fastly
Small number of ions.
free electron.
Small number of free mobile ions.
Less number of free mobile.
Less number of which partially get ionized, which do not get completely ionized, they are known as this weak electrolyte. So there are some examples also given, like strong electrolyte is your sea water, because in sea water what do we have? More amount of salt.
Salt is present.
Nitric acid, so strong आपका acid है, that also contains more free mobile ions. Copper sulfate solution, sodium chloride and sulfuric acid, these all will have more number of your ionic charges. That is why it is known as strong electrolyte. What about our weak electrolyte? Weak electrolyte will be
Ordinary tap
included
water.
distilled water.
tap water, because less number of ionic charges will be there. Like your weak acid you can also consider as weak acid. Weak acid can also be considered like oxalic acid, carbonic acid, ammonium
Citric
hydroxide,
acid.
citric acid. These all can be considered as weak electrolyte. Clear? Then the next topic is your conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy. What is this? In this, the battery of the cell, in this chapter lesson, the voltaic cell is mentioned. So if it is also having what? Chemical energy stored in. And what does it do? It changes the chemical energy into electrical energy for the purpose for which it is made, that it converts chemical energy into electrical energy. So what are the what is the structure of it? That zinc rod is there, copper rod is there. What are they? वो क्या होगा? They are known as electrodes. Yes. And positive and negative electrodes are there, and one electrolyte, that is your dilute sulfuric acid. And these electrodes are dipped into it so that there is a dissociation and conversion of chemical energy into electrical.
Electrical energy. Yes, ma'am.
Then the process in which, or the phenomenon in which this chemical energy is converted, or when we pass electricity through a solution, then that liquid which is there to enhance our process, that is known as that process is known as electrolysis, in which we are developing passing electric current and through the liquid, and this process is known as electrolysis. Clear? अब इसमें भी हमारे पास क्या होता है? दो आपका इलेक्ट्रोड होता है. What are the electrodes? Positive and negative ions. For breaking up of, you can say, gas, one experiment is there in which we have to see the chemical effect that changes the electric current by passing through an ionic solution. So here the electrodes which are used is your graphite rod. In positive also and in negative also. Both the electrodes are your graphite rods. And if the electric current is passed, then here also there is dissociation of water molecules, H2 and O2. Because water is made up of what? What is the chemical formula of water? H2O. So it will
H2O.
If electric current is passed through it, then what will happen? It will break into H and O, or H2 and O. H, O. In the ionic form. Then, where will be the oxygen bubble being collected? Oxygen kahan collect hoga, and where will be the hydrogen bubble collected? So, oxygen bubble will be formed on the anode electrode, and which is connected to the positive terminal, and the next hydrogen bubble will be connected at the cathode. That is the negative. So these are the solution, and what is the conclusion of it? That metals get deposited at electrode surface. Gaseous bubbles may get formed near the electrode. Change of color of solution may occur due to dissolution of different ions. So we will discuss later on, और इसको हम detail में discuss करेंगे this chapter once again. So एक बार आप लोग इसको just read it carefully, and then we will meet in the next class. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.